Right now, we are on the main page of GitHub. Let's click on the Sign Up button. We're not going to sign in with Google or any other quick login option. It's best to avoid that so we can make future support access easier. Instead, we'll use our own email address. We enter our email, a strong password, our username, and the country we're located in. Once all the information is correct and verified, we simply click on Create Account. We'll receive a verification email. We copy the code that was sent to us and enter it in the corresponding field. Perfect. Now we can enter our email and password and log in. Once inside, we'll see our repository section, our profile, and a summary of all our recent contributions and activity. Next, we go to the Settings section. Here, we need to make our email address public to make authentication easier across different platforms and to avoid possible issues later on. We add our name, update the profile, and that's it. Our email is now public, and we can log into other platforms using the quick GitHub sign-in option, more convenient and secure. This is also a good time to follow Plexotrade LLC on GitHub. However, our main account is Plexosoft, where you can also find and follow us easily. You'll see that the author is Frank Arellano, and you'll be able to view the amount of activity we've had over time. For example, last year we had 2,757 contributions. You can also explore previous years, our achievements, and the free repositories we have available for those interested in the technical side. And with that, we've completed our tutorial on how to create a GitHub account. Your account is now ready to start collaborating and exploring the world of open source.